Okay. So, is my voice audible?
Yes.
Because face to face, but that. Okay. So now we will have our motivational activity for you to be motivated. So let's have a short activity. The slide will show a simple question. Guess the name and the answer of the question as quickly as possible. So whoever guesses will have a point. Is it clear? Yeah. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ako na. Yes, mommy. Okay. So whoever wrong or right answers will have a point.
Yes, ma'am.
But with the twist. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 1. 2 mothers and 2 daughters went to a bakery. They bought 3 cakes, but each person got 1. How is this possible?
Mother and 2 daughters went to a bakery.
How is this possible? Yes?
Ipalit sila ba yung
It could be another hand. Oh.
Nipalit pa sila.
Okay, another hand. Slice nila ang cake.
ipalit na sila cupcake.
No, right or wrong answer. Two mothers and 2 daughters man. So, di ba, kapag 2 mothers, wala sila. Mothers, ang daughters, isa lang ang ilahang mama. Yes, hindi ka, isa na ilahang pa, so, ibang kita sa model, ihang wala. Surrender mo? Baka. So, they bought isa naman ang mama kay daughters. Mama eh. Muna ba yung sinabi?
Dua ka mama o dua ka anak.
Hindi mo isa na mama. Anak. Tuman eh.
Tuman.
Wala may palit.
Ang isa kay si Uli.
Buy one take one.
Usa ka kahul natin ang kasabot nga one. Oh, kasabot
Two
early.
mothers and 2 daughters. He's ready to bakery.
They bought 3 cakes, but each person got 1. Usa pasabot sa 1, 1
one na slice na cake or one na tibok na cake? One.
Each person got one.
One cake. Exactly.
One man lingon
They
ug one
want
cake.
3 cakes.
Di.
Yan nag-isa-isa to mga person.
Oh.
Yan two mothers and two daughters.
Four.
Asa, how is this possible na?
Ana bahin.
Nalatay siya ako ang bata.
Di mo ni ulit isa kay one.
Promo na isa.
Dili sa to na sakto.
Mother.
Sige na siya. Yes, 3 persons same or what does it mean man?
Ayos sa kan. Boy nakatulog darong.
Wait, nakatapos.
Ayos sa kan.
So your answers are... Two mothers and two daughters.
Di oy igsoon ang daughter siya. So man ang daughter. Oy number
Two
sa
mothers and Una na ah.
Ah, ulan ba ba ang ba?
Atong lupot ka anak.
Ay, balik ka sa
Ay, buntis! Buntis! Buntis ang isa!
Kung duha ka may kalit yung anak ko nagtulong sila usa sa unang kapo.
Ha?
Hindi na ka. Yung mothers na. Ang usa na mga may duha ka anak.
Ay, isa buntis!
Kasi palit sila og tulog nag-usa sila. Dili, ang isa ka mamatay, sila ang kagiya sa bigay so that's it.
igsoon ang
So
duha.
okay guys. Yun.
Ang isa ka mamatay kagduha.
Basta tagsa-tagsa sila kay anak.
Oh, dalawa.
Girls.
So, duha. Okay, kinakailan nila. May kaluhan.
Ang isa ka mamatay dili kagduha.
Only 3 people. A grandmother, mother, and a daughter. 2 mothers. But the doctor says, I can't operate on this boy. He is my son. How is this possible?
Namatay ba niya father na? Dili siya. Dili siya. Doctor kay. Muna yung biological father na kato namatay nga papa is muna.
Dili na
Di double doctor sa
So this activity will enhance your medical skills.
Isa ay dala sa hospital.
Mamaya!
The father dies instantly. The son is rushed to the hospital, but the doctor says, I can't operate on this boy. He is my son.
Ang gago sa papa kay mo.
Basta tayo mga kapatid. Oo, that's about the father.
Ay, anak na na biological father.
Father, pwede mo ang nasa family.
pare ang
Tito.
pare ang namatay.
Tito na brand. Tito yung sopan. Tito
Is it siya? Operated?
Boy mo sila sa amin.
Ano lagi ang father mo na sa namatay ko pa sila saan? Kaya papa balik ka. Oh, dahil mga father pare.
Ay, so,
Sabi ko accident.
doctor ang papa niya?
Gingon, nagpapaba niya ang doctor. Basta, ang father and daughter get into a car accident.
Ang father lagi yung pare.
Oo,
Pare yung pare.
Ang doctor may nakira ba di ay?
Ay mama.
Busy sa lalaga, di ba?
Pare.
Our survey is that on top of our roof, slanted at a 45-degree angle. What's 8 times 8 divided 8?
1.
What's 8?
0. 1.
1?
0.
0.
0.
Indas tayo.
64.
Zero.
Indas,
Zero.
Indas.
8, 1, 0. Kandas. Zero. Malas daw. Kandas. Isa. Mali.
12 points naka-check.
So, So, what if all teachers graded randomly like just like what I did? What if all teachers mag-grade of unfairly nga to para sa ulit ko?
I think mag-waste lahat sa mga student.
Ma-waste lahat ng
Kailangan sila mag-open.
Mas mawala na.
Mag-rant. Okay, so your answers are all correct. Yes, so our topic for today is all about oh my God, the purposes, ano yung sa grading and the reporting system. And my topic was all about the purposes of grading and reporting system and the types of grading and reporting systems. Okay? Okay. Pag-guess sa mga hindi ko na activity.
Yeah.
Wala. Ito, para mag-gate, para makuha ko yung attention. So, our objectives for today, by the end of the lesson, students should be able to understand why grading and reporting are important in education, identify the different purposes of grading and reporting systems, explain how grades and reports help teachers, students, and parents, describe the key parts of a good grading and reporting system, and recognize fair and ethical practices in grading and reporting. So why are we tackling this topic? Why do we need to understand? It is very important. Because as future educators, yes. Anyone?
Because as future educators, because as a future educator, we should know what is the right way and how to grade the students for us to exercise an unbiased way of grading.
Sige, Bit. Pakon, Bit. Sige, Bit.
So grading. Miss, Mr. Dalilan, please read.
Grading. Assess student performance using various methods. Purpose. Measure understanding and mastery of course content. Feedback. Next, feedback. Inform students and teachers about grading progress. And lastly, importance. Identify strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvement.
What is your understanding about grading? What's grading? Based on what you have read.
We grade as a teacher for us to avoid unfair treatment when we have complaints in how the parents. It is vital for us to grade students, for us as a teacher to have evidence kaya na may kasagaran na may mga kwan yung complaints sa mga parents, then we can prove that grade is right. You are.
So grading is done with the teachers to assess students' performance or students' work, di ba? And it is important to appreciate and acknowledge the effort of the students, right?
Yes.
And grading will also measure if the student understands, if the student knows. Okay, that is grading. Next topic. Oh no! One shot! Lahi mo ko check ka. Download it on me. But I didn't see you. So reporting. Reporting communicate students' academic performance and progress. So it involves the parents, schools, and policymakers for decision making. And its purpose is it clarifies educational outcomes and areas for improvement. And its importance, it tracks students' growth, guides teaching, and ensures accountability. So in reporting, it is the way on how teachers communicate to the students, to the co-teachers, the parents, para ang ilang reporting mo, dapat ang grade. Like that. Yes. It is the communication about that.
ensures educational accountability. Maintain fairness and accuracy in evaluating students' achievements. Second is guides instructional practices, provides teachers with insights to adjust teaching and teaching methods based on students' performance, identifies strengths and weaknesses, helps recognize areas where students excel and where they need to improve or improvement. Supports decision-making, influences educational policies, curriculum adjustments, and personalized learning plans.
What does it Mr. Artola, based on what theory? Good. Importance.
The importance of reading and reporting in education is it can help not just in students but also towards teachers and even in the school community. Kaya ang gibasihan man sa grading is naman tayo i-implement nga rado mismo from the deep end in which dili na to siya pwede nga baliwalaon or
manipulate.
oh yes, winning ka ng magama taglaing pamaagi to grade students that are really necessary in students' progress.
Thank you for that idea, Mr. Artola. So based on what Mr. Artola said, the grading and reporting is so much helpful in to students, to teachers, because it helps to develop their growth as a student and also as a teacher. For their in teacher, for their strategies, for their effectiveness as a teacher. And also as a student, it is where ikaw, asa sila pwede mo improve or mana ang reporting, important sa grading. Yes.
Buko na teacher.
Yes.
Okay, yes. Kapag kami talagigan ko nila sa image na kita mga kuha na ito nga, total lang mag-isip ko kuha na ito dapat owners ka sa mga kuha nila kay mo-reflect sa ilang ang brother sa pero kung ano rin ang mga extra nga brother rin ka
No, oh my God. Sunday ko ba heart? Oh yes, something there.
Jadi bisa kayak dengan
So the purposes of reading is for clear communication. It ensures students, parents, and educators understand performance. Kaya, kung na-grade, di ba nga mapakita kay ana magiging bawat or di na, mo na measurement o unsa ka kanang how well the students perform in school. And next is it identifies strengths and weaknesses. So in grading, it highlights areas of excellence and improvement. So in grading, makita po nimo ang mga strengths o weaknesses as a student. Usa na sa purposes sa grading and reporting. Next is the motivational tool. So sa grading po tawag no, it encourages students to make effort with success. Muto mo ni? Kay as a student kay if na-grade di ba kay we were driven by that one na you need to put an effort to have that good grades, di ba?
yes.
Right? So, purpose po ng grading and reporting. Grading motivational tool. It encourages students to make effort with success. Next, purposes of grading and reporting informs thinking. adjust methods to support learning. So, ano sa grading and sa reporting, makita mo dira nga, for example, ang teacher is na ay nakabalik siya nga, gagmay mga grades yung mga students, sigura ng math. So, siguro makakuha na siya, kaya halos madala niya yung student, makakuha na siya, bakit siya ang may pagkuwang? So, modo, makahelp po siya ang mga strategies kay, ano siya, nag-improve na niya ang iyang strategies para ma-improve po niyang students. Okay? Provides feedback. It guides students, performative, and summative assessment. So, if you're grading, makibaw ka sa yung mga assessment sa halong formative and summative. It guides students. Kung nakay makita ang grade kayo, it's both during and after. Then, makibaw ka. Yeah. So, next is the types of grading. The types of grading, pero kasi sa home grade na kayo. Kaya kung na nagawa sa cartoon, important na nagawa. Sa American grading style? Yes. Different types. May akong research. Dahil lang sa Philippines eh. Types of grading. Ibalik na lang. Ano? Ay, introduction na ako.
Sa tanan. Nakaliakuan mo, ikaw din mo.
Nakuha na ako eh.
Sumpay na mabuta kita.
Pero parehas, mabalik-balik ko dito. Parehas kung ginagawa. Traditional grading system. It assigns letter grades A to F based on set criteria. Ang focus ay niya kay emphasizes exam results and memorization over deep understanding. So it means objective siya. Right?
Yes.
It is simple and standardized evaluation, easy for students, parents, and institutions to interpret. What is traditional grading system? Ang ikaw is typical ABCD niya. Word, excellent, good na na. Naman mo na. Yes. It lacks assessment. Ang limitation ng niya is lacks assessment of critical thinking and creativity. Because it is subjective, kung sa'yo i-provide na mo, nabugaw na siya, no need to tell the deepest part of her. Okay, and also the limitation is may discourage learning by prioritizing grades over growth. Kaya, objective naman, more on to high scores like nga na bitaw. You do not, wala na ka na one sa growth or sa learning mo, basta high. Dito, focus siya sa. Yes. Next is the standard-based grading or the SDG. Ang definition ay niya ay assesses performance based on specific learning standard, not just overall scores. Ang focus kay measure skill, mastery, and progress rather than test results alone. So, paano siya ka ng with standard siya pero with the creativity of that person na dito, like mag-use na siya o mga kanang critical thinking skills. Like, we're just opposite sa traditional. We're siya more on hands. Yeah, skills na nga. Ang strength niya ay clearly shows students' strength and areas for improvement. Kaya, di ba ang katong traditional is kay objective naman siya, like kung sa kuan gihatag kay mauraman niya more on to score siya rather than growth. Di para sa aning sa SBG na na siya improvement na makita kahit sa grading man. Strength. Next is encourages the growth mindset by prioritizing learning over grades. Balik siya sa traditional grade. And help teachers adjust instruction to meet students' needs. Ang iyang limitations is difficult to implement in traditional grading systems and requires detailed rubrics and ongoing assessment. Like more on to the skills mastery man siya by learning. So, mas dapat detailed din ang iyang rubrics para mas makasagot ang student. So, dito mga impact. So, impact
Madalay ka man.
Impacts of grading and reporting. Tapos nasa na ba ko? Nakuha ko ako na. Effects of grading and reporting on education. First, it affects on students' attitude. Can they read?
Grading influences how students perceive their abilities. Positive reinforcement enhances motivation, while quantity grades may cause anxiety and lower self-esteem. Influence on learning outcomes. Clear grading criteria allow students to understand expectations and improve performance. Actionable feedback enables students to identify areas for improvement and adjust their study habits.
So when we talk about the effects of grading and reporting, effects on student attitude, it can be both positive or negative, right? It depends on how the students will take that grading. Pero as a teacher, you also need to, imong pasabdun to din mong students. Dilig lang kay gamay bata din rado, di ba katigsod, di ka nimo. So you should encourage, right?
Yes.
Yes. Next is influence on learning outcomes. It influences on learning outcomes. Kaya di ba di naman sa magbuhat sa learning outcomes kung sa'yo gusto na ito ma-achieve sa students. So, maka-effect po na siya sa grading o sa reporting on education. Next, kailangan ng reporting ani. So, naa siya affects sa relationship with parental engagement. Miss Bacho, please read. Relationship with parental engagement.
Relationship with parental engagement. The smart grading and reporting strengthens communication between schools and families. Family updates, encourage parents to actively support their children